Mommy. Ako, Mommy. Hi. Asan ka ngayon, Ma? Diwe?
Hi.
Mommy, then what are you doing sa taas?
Ikaw, what are you doing?
Kainom mo baby milk. Then what are you doing, Dave? But I always want to talk about you. How can you butang daddy sa taas? What you want to talk about? Nasa langit. Nasa langit. I'm buying bagi. Ma, kabalo ka buying bagi liw? Kabalo ka?
Thank you.
Ganina ko
Ano sila, sir?
Ma, nasihig ko. Mama. Kaya going over there sa taas. You help me to up? Okay, goodbye.